Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Getting a free Salesforce certification voucher is totally possible if you know where to look, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it in 2026. Step 1. Check the official Salesforce website for their free voucher programs. Salesforce regularly offers free certification vouchers through their Trailhead platform and various promotional campaigns. Head to the certification section and look for any current offers or bundles that include free exam vouchers. They often tie these to seasonal events or new product launches. Step 2. Join the Salesforce Trailhead program and complete learning paths. When you earn badges and reach certain milestones on Trailhead, you unlock voucher rewards. The more paths you complete, the better your chances of earning free exam vouchers through this platform. It's basically free certification training that comes with vouchers attached. Step 3. Participate in Salesforce community events and webinars. Salesforce hosts regular webinars, training sessions, and community events throughout the year. Many of these events offer free vouchers as prizes or completion rewards. Check your local Salesforce user groups and community pages for upcoming opportunities. Step 4. Look for employer or educational institution partnerships. If you work for a company or attend a school that partners with Salesforce, you might be eligible for free certification vouchers through them. Many enterprises have agreements that include free certifications for employees as part of professional development programs. Step 5. Monitor Salesforce social media and email newsletters for limited-time promotions. Salesforce announces flash promotions and special voucher giveaways through their official channels. Sign up for their newsletter and follow their social media accounts to catch these time-sensitive offers before they expire.